You can say anything you want from your God. God listen to you. You do not have to speak Arab before you can talk to your God. God is not Arab. God is every language. Alhamdulillah, she completed a Umrah. Alhamdulillah, she did very good and she is emotional. She loves it. Mrs. Haniya, how do you like what you see today here?
I can't explain because I've not seen this before. To get to the Kaaba is not easy. The people there, Allah is great, and I'm so blessed to come here, to be here, Mecca, to get close to the Kaaba. The experience, you have to come and experience it, and you know that Islam is beautiful. We are blessed. Now, I just want to say a big thank you to all my people who supported me, who Allah passed through to make it possible for me to be here in Mecca. Allah bless you. First of all, I would like to say a big thanks to the chief imam, the sheikh.
The first of all should be
Allah. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just over happy.
No problem.
I'm short of words.
Everything. Allah should be first.
Yes.
Prophet Muhammad and young people.
Okay. So first of all, I'll say a big thanks to Allah and Prophet Muhammad, and then I'll say a big thanks to my sheikh, the chief imam, who converted me, who helped me to be possible to be part of Islam, which I've been trying to be part. And then I'll say a big thanks to Afro-Arab Alhaji Abdul Salam. Since day one, even when I was not Muslim, he supports me by buying my pure honey, giving me money to pay my son's school fees. Even by then I wasn't in Islam. And now he helped me to get visa. That was last year. He wanted me to come. I said, Alhaji, let's make it next year. But next year, maybe he didn't know I was ready. So this year, Allahu Akbar. After Arab gave me the visa, Muntouch
Travel and Tour.
Muntouch Travel and Tour. Yeah, Muntouch Travel and Tour. Also, I thank them, inshallah. They made it possible for me to get my ticket, hotel reservation, everything that happened to me here. They made it possible to make it possible for me to enjoy here. And thank Allah, when I came to my big brother in Islam, my boss, my everything, Khalifa, peace Dawah. Since the one I converted, even when I have not converted, he was making news and prophesying about me. He knew I would convert. The first time he saw me, he said, Muslim Poloo, let me show you some posts I did about you. I told people that, inshallah, you will be part of us. And now you are part of us. And he made me possible. He helped me to bring me to Kaaba. I didn't know anything. He was directing me how to go. I was able to go the 7 times around the Kaaba, and then which one?
Safa and Marwa. Inna Safa wal Marwata min sha'airillah. And you know, Prophet Abraham, Prophet Ismail, Mami, start here, and Prophet Muhammad ever continue with what she did. Okay. That is the Sunnah of Rasulullah.
Alhamdulillah, I've been able to do the Safa and Marwa too, and I'm so blessed. Though I'm having pains, but it's worth it. It's worth it. It's not everyone who get the chance to come here. So if each and everyone.
You also thank Sheikh Habib Saud al-Haq.
Yes.
Sheikh Ibrahim.
That's my Sheikh who converted me.
Sheikh Habib Saud al-Haq.
Yes.
Sheikh Habib, Sheikh Sanusi al-Ramma.
Yes, and I thank Sheikh Baisi.
Yes,
Baisi,
yes. Okay.
Yeah, for making it possible for me to be able to convert. He could introduce me to Sheikh.
Sheikh, exactly.
Yes. I
thank you very
everybody.
much. Wassalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad wa sallim.
Amen.
Labbaika.
Labbaika.
La umratan.
La umratan.
Good. Labbaika la umratan. That means God accept my umrah. La umratan. God accept my umrah.
Showing me love. They are encouraging me. I don't buy anything in Islam. They give it to me for free. Please, come and join Islam. I'm not forcing you, but I'm telling you, it's the best religion. Serving one God, serving Allah. There's no juju.
Quran, I'll say, Inna deen in the lahil al-Islam. There is no deen in this world except Islam. And I will say, Wala tamutunna illa wa antum muslimun. Do not die in this world at this time until you accept to be a Muslim. If you die, the Kaaba no, and your Prophet Muhammad is here, and your Prophet Abraham time, and the Prophet Ismail, we're going to see Kaaba no, and we're going to see what we see. And before say Prophet Muhammad and son on also buy and on also continue what Prophet Abraham and the Prophet Ismail womuna no and the Prophet Muhammad no one the last prophet of the Lord. And Jesus say no inna safa wal marwata min sha'air Allah. Mountain in the say no mountain no wama kataso kakra we na ofaso ni sama sa green battle we no. Enti Ishmael omame edini ja no no wonanti kakra no oduru ha no was start jogging enti Prophet Muhammad ba ye no onu so continue sa wanjai but ayon ne start here Prophet Ishmael ajara omame no wona se ya ba marwa so from marwa no there for safa yanya wan enti se ne aduru marwa enti Ishmael omame no waja no no
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.